Hello, dear Dinka learners. You are highly welcome back. Today, let us learn different way of calling boys in Dinka language. Number one, dog. Dog. Dog is a Dinka word which means boy. Duck. Duck means boys. Duck is a plural form of dog in Dinka language. Number three, wamäth. Wamäth, my brother. Wamäth kwa. Wamäth kwa. Our brothers. Wamatkia, Wamatkia, my brothers. Wamuth, Wamuth, your brother. Wamat kun, or you can say Wamatku, your brothers. Wamatkene, Wamatken mean their brothers. Wamatkene, Wamatakene mean his or her brothers. Wamatda, our brother. Woman, woman is or her brother. Wamatke, Wamatke is or her brothers. Kene ewamat, Kene ewamat mean this is my brother. Kene mean this is Kene ewamut, Kene ewamut. This is your brother. Wamat dit mean my elder brother. Wamadit, Wamadkor, my younger brother. Kai, Kai mean firstborn. Kun mean last born. Twandia, Twandia mean my brother-in-law. My brother-in-law. Twandia, Twandu. Wendia, no, sorry, Wendit. Wendit mean first son. Wenkor mean last son. Wamap Abar mean my brother is tall. Wamat Abar. Wamut Achik. Wamut Achik. Your brother is short. Dongbar. Dongbar mean tall boy. Dongchik. Dongchik mean short boy. Dongditot. Dongditot. Dongditot is big boy. Dongtin Inyot. Dongtin Inyot. Very small boy. Dongtin Inyot. Very small boy. You can say Dongtin, small boy. And if you say Dongtin Inyot, mean very little boy, very small boy. Dongpat or Dongpiat. Dongpat or Dongpiat. All this mean the same. Mean good boy. Good boy in Dinka is Dongpat or Dongpiat. In Dongpat, in Dongpiat. Dongraj. Dongraj. Dongraj red. Bad boy. If you say Dongraj red mean a very bad boy. Dongraj red, very bad boy. But you can say Dongraj mean bad boy. Okay, number 30. Dongbang. Dongbang or Dongbang. How do you call it? Write it here in comment section. I want to know. What is the meaning of Dongbang? You guys, if you don't know it, you can go and ask Mr. Dongbang, the comedian. He will go and explain to you why he call himself Dongbang. Okay? Or you can also go and ask Nyanbang. Nyanbang is there. So you guys go and ask them what is the meaning of Nyanbang and Dongbang. Okay? That is assignment for you. Number 31. Dong Diar. Dong Diar. Dong Diar mean what? So you guys can write it in the comment section also. We need to learn from you guys. Yenakan the end by William Majak Malek Deng Ran Pyoj Tongjang or Tongjang. Please follow us in TikTok and Facebook page. You also go to YouTube. Our YouTube channel is called Dinka English TV5. Please go there and subscribe and watch our video there. The Facebook page is called Dinka Awil Dialogue. Please go there and follow us. Another Facebook page is called Dinka Learning Class. You also go and follow us. Nyali Kawik. Nyali Kawik means God is with you. This is the end. Bye bye. Ben Yok. We shall meet in next lesson. Dor Nyali Kawik. Kuyania. Bye bye. Thank you so much. William Majak Malik Ding. Inakan.